Hi everyone, in this session I'm going to explain about the removal of the foreign body from the external auditory canal without general anesthesia procedure, and for this procedure the CPT code is 69200. So if we go to the anatomy of the ear, where is the external auditory canal here? So this is the external auditory canal. So in this location, if a foreign body gets struck, so the physician will remove that, right? So without any anesthesia, general anesthesia. So for that we have to assign the CPT code 69200. So the ear consists of three parts, right? So external, middle, and then the internal ear. So in this external part, if a foreign body gets struck, so we have to code this, and what exactly the physician will do in this procedure, now we will see. So foreign body, so what are the foreign bodies get struck in the ear, like peas, beads, swabs, or some insects like that. So suppose if a patient who is visiting the hospital with a foreign body gets struck in the external auditory canal, what the physician will do is, see here in the image you can see this is the foreign body. So it gets struck in the external auditory canal, right? So first what physician will do is he will examine the ear where the foreign body is exactly, and then sometimes the physician will also use the microscope also. Suppose he is unable to see with the naked eye, so what he will do is he will use the microscope so that he can visualize the proper location of the foreign body in the external auditory canal. And then what physician will do is next, he will take the forceps. See in the image you can see these are the forceps. So with the help of the forceps he will remove the foreign body. He will take the instruments like forceps. So these are the forceps. He will grasp that. He will grasp, that means he will hold the foreign body, and then he will remove the foreign body slowly from the external auditory canal. So sometimes what physician will do is he will also irrigate the ear with the curate or else with water also. Why? Because to remove the foreign body. Sometimes in cases if not with the forceps, he will also do the procedure like this, that is he will irrigate the ear with the curate or else with the water also to remove the foreign body depending on the size of the foreign body. So this is the exact procedure the physician will do in the removal of the foreign body in the from the external auditory canal. So without any general anesthesia only he will remove the foreign body like this. Simple, right? So the physician will remove with the help of the forceps, and sometimes irrigation also performed to remove the foreign body. So now we will see the question in CPC exam. So for this procedure, how a question will be in the CPC exam, now we will see. So this is useful for the students who are preparing for the CPC exam, and also in the live coding also normally the question will be like this only. A 2 years old patient is arriving at the emergency department. The patient is crying and holding her ear. So after the examination, the physician has identified that there is a small plastic toy piece lodged in the external auditory canal. So why the baby is crying? So in order to examine what happens, so the physician has examined, and then he got to know that there is a foreign body got struck in the external auditory canal. So what method? So we have to see what method the physician is doing to remove that foreign body. So here the physician is removing the foreign body using the small forceps. So the method is this one, right? 69200. So here the physician is removing the foreign body from the external auditory canal. He is not giving any anesthesia, right? And then with the help of the forceps the physician is removing the foreign body. So what is the procedure code for this service? So like this the question will be. So we have to see the method and where is the location of the foreign body, external auditory canal. So the correct CPT code for this question is 69200. So this is a biopsy CPT code. Like this we have to identify in the CPT book or else software, and then we have to code the appropriate answer. So the correct answer for this is 69200, right? So 69200 is the answer. Removal of the foreign body from the external auditory canal without anesthesia. So like this we have to identify what method and where is the location of the foreign body, and then the question will be like this, and then the answer is 69200. So this is the procedure, and the question in the CPC exam will be like this. So this is all about the removal of the foreign body from the external auditory canal. So if you have any queries, please comment below. Thank you.